Hi, here is Kamil. I am data scientist at Neptune AI, and in this video I will show you Keras integration. Keras is a very popular deep learning framework, and integration with Neptune allows you to automatically log Keras metrics to Neptune. Let's take a look at one example. So here are the charts that are automatically created from the Keras metrics, which in turn we logged automatically using integration with Keras. So let's jump to the source code and see how it works in practice. So all you need to do is to add this single line of code. It is the method from the Neptune TensorBoard library. It is open source Python library that you can easily install in your machine. And once you run integrate with Keras, this method, once you run it, you will automatically log all Keras metrics to Neptune and associate those with the experiment. So thanks to this, you can not only inspect those charts on the level of the single experiment, but you can also very easily just select a bunch of experiments and compare across multiple experiments, like in this example here. So there is a number of Keras runs, and thanks to this integration, I can easily inspect across multiple Neptune experiments that have those Keras metrics. It is very easy to get started with this integration, so if you are interested, just jump to our documentation, then in the integration section select Deep Learning Frameworks and Keras. And here is an end-to-end example with all additional information and details.